Welcome back to Day 3 at Jitex with StarLink Pulse, where we continue to have conversations with the inspiring leaders of our industry. Today's next leader is Abou, the Regional Channel and Sales Alliance Manager at Riverbed. Thank you for being here, Ghassan.
Thank you.
How has Jitex been treating you till now?
Well, it's amazing. I mean, this year we can see a lot of people coming, unlike the last year, and we believe that we're back to normal.
The excitement is back, huh? Okay, so let's go to the first question. Ghassan, tell us about Riverbed's recent enterprise solutions and what opportunities you see in this region.
Yeah, well, this year in Jitex, we really wanted to focus on the new theme of Riverbed, which is really visibility, security, performance for modern and hybrid enterprises. And what we really wanted to inform our customers and our partners is about the solutions that Riverbed is capable now to provide the true end-to-end visibility on all the different kinds of networks, whether they are on-premise or on the cloud. So the hybrid types, the complex type of networks that they will be having, especially with the new trends nowadays.
Right. And also, like Ghassan, you know, like with an increasing number of technologies always coming up and emerging, customers sometimes are unable to choose the right solutions. So in your opinion, how does the role of the distributor and the partner like complement the Riverbed story when it comes to offering different solutions that complement your solution and integrate well with them, and also ensure to deliver a business outcome for the customer?
That's a very good question, actually. Thank you for that. And basically, any vendor will not have all his resources on the ground. So we really rely always on our partners or on channel partners and value-added distributors in the likes of StarLink. So you are the arm, the extended arm of Riverbed, and you have the reachability. And not only that, you have all the sorts of technology. So in reality, you do act like a consultant to the customer by having all the different types of solutions and understanding the pain points of these customers. You will be the best fit to position the right solution that will be able to help that customer in their journey, whether it is for their employees or for their customers, right? So basically we really rely on our channel ecosystem.
Right, and you were talking about the journey for customers and helping them. Right now we're hearing the word digital transformation journey a lot. And the pandemic has forced a lot of organizations to fast-track this kind of journey. How has Riverbed helped enterprises accelerate their digital transformation journey?
Another good question. Thank you very much for that. So you said a very key word, fast track. When you are doing anything fast, you need to see, right? How are you able to go and drive at maybe 200 kilometers an hour if you cannot properly see all the details around you? You're going to end up having a crash. And this is where Riverbed comes into play. We are a vendor that provides the true end-to-end visibility across all sorts of networks, whether they are on-premise or on the cloud. And we don't really take one portion of the network, whether it is the devices, whether it is the users who are sitting at home, the network components or the servers and applications. We take all those together and we correlate the view to provide a true domain isolation and pinpoint any problem that is taking place. This would really come side to side with the vision of the companies and organizations that are looking to accelerate the migration or to accelerate the transformation of their networks, because they really need to understand what's happening whenever they decide to shift to the cloud. There are a lot of challenges, right? There are challenges related to the experience of the employee who needs to do his job. There are challenges related to the performance of these platforms where they are installing their applications. And in order to be able to put in one place all the different information coming from, let's say, Azure or AWS or Oracle Cloud or Google Cloud or even the private cloud, you need one solution that is able to pull all this information in real time, not sampling, okay, to provide you the true visibility of what's happening. And this is how we can really help the organization these days.
Yeah, so this also relates to my next question, which is basically about Riverbed's vision of creating the next generation work environment. So how can Riverbed help organizations deliver this kind of new level of visibility that drive network and application performance with greater business outcomes.
Okay, so basically, as I mentioned in the previous question, by providing the true visibility end-to-end, so starting from that end user who might be at home with a new model of the work environment these days, we have a lot of employees that have been asked to work remotely from home or even from their home countries. You really need a lot of solutions to do that. First of all, you need to see how they are able to consume these services, to understand if they are able to work as if they are close to their data center or not. This is one challenge. Another challenge, you need to provide the enhancement, the acceleration. And as you know, Riverbed is number one in maximizing the performance of the users, whether they are using a laptop or in an office. So this is where our solutions come into play, because we will be able to help, first of all, providing the visibility to those who are handling the job and accelerate all the services that they are consuming. So with these two solutions, we are really able to help the organizations to accelerate the modernization of their work environment by having, people working from everywhere, from anywhere, right?
Right. So hopefully we don't have to go through this for a long time with the pandemic. Hopefully it comes to an end, but it's good that you have these solutions also. And thank you for answering my questions. But I want you to add your final comment. Maybe you want to talk about the future of Riverbed in the region. So anything you'd like to say as a final comment?
Thank you very much. So as I mentioned, you need to be able to see those fast track networks. I mean, take a look at what happened with Facebook recently. A small glitch on their network cost them really big amount of money. And this is where we are able to help. Riverbed is really able to reduce the mean time to identify a problem, to allow the team to immediately interact and engage into resolving these issues. Our vision in the region is still remain the same, to provide really quality services. We have our offices located here. Our teams are here to serve our customers and partners. And we really, as I said, we are still growing in terms of the partner ecosystem, training our partners, making sure that they are all capable to engage with the customers and help them whenever they need.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Abou, Rjeily, Regional Channel and Sales Alliance Manager at Riverbed.
Thank you.
And as always, make sure to stay tuned for more conversations with our leaders at GITEX, and I'll see you later.